MoneyGram is a global money transfer service that allows individuals to send and receive money quickly and securely, both domestically and internationally. It operates through a large network of agents and digitally via its app. You can send money in person at a MoneyGram agent location or online using a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Recipients can receive the money in cash at an agent location, directly into their bank account, or via mobile wallet in some regions. As of 2025, MoneyGram facilitates over 200 million transactions annually and operates in over 200 countries. To send money with MoneyGram, first choose your method. You can visit a physical MoneyGram agent location or use the MoneyGram mobile app for a digital experience. Next, provide the recipient's details, including their full name, location, and contact information, such as a phone number. Select your preferred payment method. You can pay with cash at an agent, use a debit card, or set up a bank transfer. Specify the amount of money you want to send. Make sure to consider any fees that will be deducted. If sending cash at an agent, present your ID for verification. For app users, funds may be held temporarily until the recipient picks up the money. MoneyGram deducts fees up front. You'll receive a reference number to track the transfer and confirm when it's ready for pickup. When money is sent via MoneyGram, the recipient receives a notification through SMS or email. This message includes a unique reference number that is essential for collecting the funds. To collect the money, the recipient visits a MoneyGram agent location, such as a retail store or bank. They must present valid photo identification and provide the reference number from the notification. MoneyGram offers flexible payout options to suit different needs. Recipients can choose cash pickup at an agent location, mobile money transfers like M-Pesa in various countries, or direct transfers to bank accounts available in over 50 countries. For a smooth and secure pickup process, it's crucial that the recipient has both the reference number from the notification and their proper identification ready when they arrive at the agent location. MoneyGram's fees vary depending on the send amount, destination country, and payment method. For instance, sending $500 from the US to Mexico might incur fees between $12 and $20, plus exchange rate differences. Bank transfers often add an extra $5 to $10. While cash pickups are generally free, digital payouts could have minor fees. MoneyGram offers competitive mid-market exchange rates within its app, which are often better than those offered at traditional agent locations. Always compare rates and fees to ensure you're getting the best deal. Here is an example of a MoneyGram fee table for reference. After initiating a transfer, you'll receive a reference number. This unique code is essential for monitoring your transaction. Typically, this reference number arrives via email or SMS, as shown in this notification from MoneyGram. Use this number to track your transfer status on the MoneyGram website or app. Simply enter the reference number to access real-time information. In the app, you can view your transaction details, including the reference number and current status. Tracking updates will show the progress of the transfer, such as sent, received, and paid out. The progress bar fills as your money moves through each stage. As of 2025, MoneyGram has integrated blockchain-based tracking in select corridors, providing faster, real-time updates. This technology ensures immutable records for greater security. This helps ensure transparency and accountability throughout the entire process, giving you peace of mind. MoneyGram prioritizes the security of your money transfers through multiple layers of protection. These measures ensure that your funds are safe from unauthorized access and fraudulent activities. End-to-end encryption ensures that your personal and financial information remains secure during transmission. Every piece of data is encrypted at the sender's end and can only be decrypted by the intended recipient, preventing interception by unauthorized parties. For digital transfers through the MoneyGram app, biometric verification adds an extra layer of security. Users can authenticate using facial recognition or fingerprint scanning, making it much harder for unauthorized individuals to access accounts or complete fraudulent transactions. MoneyGram adheres to strict regulatory standards, including FATCA, Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, and AML, anti-money laundering requirements. These regulations help identify and prevent illegal financial activities, ensuring all transfers are legitimate and properly documented. Since 2025, MoneyGram has implemented cutting-edge AI-driven fraud detection systems. These systems analyze transaction patterns in real time, automatically flagging and blocking suspicious activities. In Q3 2025 alone, this technology prevented over 500,000 potentially fraudulent transactions from proceeding. In the event that a transfer fails due to security concerns or other issues, MoneyGram provides refunds within 30 days. Additionally, users should remain vigilant against scams. Always verify the identity of recipients and never send money to individuals you don't know personally to avoid falling victim to fraudulent schemes. MoneyGram has undergone significant digital transformation, with app-based transactions accounting for 60% of all transfers in 2025, up from 30% in 2020. The company is also exploring crypto integration, allowing users to send funds via digital wallets and convert them to cash at payout points. Experts predict MoneyGram will evolve into a full-fledged fintech platform by 2030, with AI automating customer service and blockchain enabling instant cross-border settlements. Keep an eye on these developments as MoneyGram adapts to the evolving financial landscape. MoneyGram operates in a competitive landscape alongside services like Wise and Venmo. While competitors focus on digital transfers, MoneyGram's unique strengths set it apart. Wise provides competitive rates for international bank transfers, often with lower fees than traditional services. Venmo excels in quick, app-based money sharing among friends and family. MoneyGram stands out with its vast network of over 350,000 agent locations worldwide, providing access in areas where banking infrastructure is limited. Strategic partnerships enhance its reach and services. By combining physical presence with digital innovation, MoneyGram remains a strong competitor in the global money transfer market.